I wanted to try another version of the Axolotl mold. I'm gonna take the Chameleon powders, Magenta, Champagne, and Plum. And I'm gonna brush the different colors onto there. I'm gonna be kind of random about it, if I can be. I took the different colors and I started spreading them around, just brushing it inside of the mold. And I started with the Magenta first and just did spots. I didn't cover everything. These colors are nothing like what I'm expecting them to be. Here's the Champagne, which also looks very beautiful. Be a little bit more of the Plum. And for the heck of it, I'm gonna break out the Grape. Whoa, look at this. The rest of it is gonna be this. So we'll see how everything goes, how it covers. But anything that isn't covered already is getting the Grape. So I just covered the rest of it and we'll just see how they blend together. I have not tried this before, so it'll be interesting to see how it looks. I went and grabbed my mixer and put the resin down in there. This saves so much time and effort from me just to have to mix the resin. I added the black pigment. And then I took it and I just poured it right into the mold. I typically make a little extra resin just to have it on hand because I want to make sure the mold is full enough, and then I just use the rest of the resin in a different project. Are you ready for the axolotl? I'm going to pull him out of the mold. I'm very excited to see what he looks like. So far, he's looking amazing. Okay, check him out. Now, I did this once before, and I think I know what I have to do in the future, but these didn't fully fill out. So I'm gonna just take my bonding UV resin, I'm gonna build it up. The spikes of the axolotl didn't fully form, and that's my fault because I didn't get all the excess powder out of the tips. All right, now I'm gonna take the Grape and now put it on the ends where I just put a little bit of that bonding resin. So I'll put a little bit of this on there. Now go a drop at a time, kind of build it up. If he wasn't magical before, he is now. I'm going to paint his eyes black with some multi-surface paint, but look at those colors on him. How amazing is that? So I definitely see the Champagne. Here's some Magenta and then the Grape. Pretty amazing. I will show you what he looks like in the sun. Check it out. Look at how beautiful he is. Those colors blend together beautifully, no matter what combination. And these are the three that I've made so far. Aren't they cute? I don't know which one I like the best, but let me know which one you like the best. I do have one more coming up that is a totally different take with no chameleon powder and no black resin, and it's going to be a surprise. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and you can always find more information over at craftclotch.com.